made a proposal of 733, diba, million for 2026, copying 2025. But DBM gave us 803.6 million. So nagdagdag sila ng 70, less than 70, mga 60-something million. And then, nung nagdagdag sila ng 60-something million, we requested for additional personal services. Siyempre, may cost yun, yung na-mention ko kanina na additional employees para ma-fulfill yung functions and other IT equipment that are needed for the OVP. Ang binigay na final ng BBM is 903 million. So that's what
903 without the confidential funds na po yan.
No, confidential funds. Oh, hindi naman na tayo nag-request yan.
Bakit?
There should be a list from the office dahil the requested amount was more than 100 million pero ang dinagdag na lang from 803 naging 903. So 100 million lang yung in-approve. Halo-halo na yan also for the satellite offices for all the programs and projects and of course inflation rate. Diba? Ano rin yan, we factor that in also.
Okay. Ma'am, how confident are you na papasa po ito sa Kongreso considering na mas mataas siya sa 2025 budget?
We can just hope and pray that they see the need for this budget.